Okay, so in last class we read about column areas. I think that is clear to you all. That will make use of as keyword, and even as is optional too. Okay, just have a look onto this one. Suppose I want to include a text in the output. So what I can do is I can write down that text in single quotes as it is written here. That is select roll number, comma name, comma in single quotes I have written has secured marks, comma marks from student. So as I told you all that whatever is written after select is to be displayed on the query output. So see, roll number is there, name, and it is written as has secured marks. Here you can find has secured marks and then marks from the student table. Okay, so I think this is clear to you all. Next is retrieving specific rows. That means how we can retrieve a particular row. So this can be done using where clause. So see, just remember the word where, simply it is a clause, and this is used in that case where we have to put on any conditions. So whenever we want to fetch a certain limited columns or sorry limited rows, there we can make use of this where clause. Okay, just have a look onto this syntax. It's select column name 1 comma column name 2 or column name 3, so on from table name where condition. Now this condition is to be written in this space just after where clause. Okay, so just see an example. Suppose I want to display name and marks of those students who have secured marks above 80. That means what? I just have to fetch those student marks whose marks is more than 80. So what I can write is, I can write down select name, comma marks from student where marks is greater than 80. So let's see this one, select name, comma marks from student where marks greater than 80. So as soon as you will write down this where condition, that is where marks greater than 80, so you will be getting those students name and marks whose marks is more than 80. So from here you can find there are 3 students who scored more than 80. Next example is, suppose I have taken example, display name and increase the value of marks by 5 of those students whose marks is less than 80. So first of all, whenever we write the query of such condition based statement, so what is to be done? First of all, focus on the condition. So here condition is there. See, what is the condition? Who have secured marks below 80. So just first fetch this one. So put on condition where marks less than 80. Okay, and then it is written display name. So if I have written select name and increase the value of marks by 5, so I have written marks plus 5 from table name, then we know the syntax. So we have written select name, comma marks plus 5 from student where marks less than 80. So from here you can get to know that student's marks is incremented by 5 and of those student only whose marks is less than 80. Okay. Next operator is relational operator. Relational operator is what? Simply we even call it as comparison operator. Simply it means what? It is used to compare two values. For comparison, we make use of relational operator, and the result of this comparison can either be true or can either be false. And there are certain relational operators as greater than symbol, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and then not equal to. So just see this one, you can get it a screenshot. So last one is not equal to or greater than symbol and then less than symbol altogether. These are certain relational operators. Now see how questions are asked from this portion. Question is display details of those students who have secured at least 93 marks. That means at least 93 marks that the student should have secured. So see, display details is here, so obviously we will make use of asterisk. Select asterisk from student where marks greater than equal to 93 because question was at least 93 marks. Who have secured at least 93. So condition will be where marks greater than equal to 93. Next, just have a look onto this one which is underlined. Please mention it somewhere because it is very important. What is there? Whenever we compare character data type, like I want to compare, suppose two names are given Aman and Ayan. If anyone is going to ask you Aman is less than Ayan or not, see how this comparison can be done. See, this is less than symbol. Less than means earlier in the alphabet and greater than means later in the alphabet. That means which come afterwards. So see, if you want to compare this Aman and Ayan, less than symbol is there. So we want to check whether it's true or false. So see, it's A. First alphabet is even, here it is A. That is same. But second alphabet is M and then second alphabet here is Y. Here symbol is less than symbol. Less than means earlier. That means M comes earlier than M and then Y. That is true. So my answer for this will be true. This is very important because question from this part is being asked in case of date. Like question will be display details of those student who is born after, and a date will be given. Who is born before, and a date will be given. Who is born on and after. So please mention this somewhere, write this point down or get it a screenshot. Okay, let's see this example. Suppose I want to display details of those students whose roll number is not 3. Not 3 is what? So I have written not 3 and then roll number as well as marks is there. Okay. Okay, next is logical operator. Logical are just 3, that is logical, or, and not. So I think logical, or, and not, this meaning should be clear to you all. Or we make use of pipeline symbol. In case of and we make use of ampersand symbol, and not, in case of not, we make use of this exclamation symbol. Okay, now see what is different in these three. Or needs both or needs any of the comparisons to be true in order to result in true, and in case of and we require both conditions to be true in order to return the answer as true. And not means what? Not simply negates the condition. Not simply negates the condition. So this is mentioned here. Not simply negates condition. That means if my answer is true, so if I have written not in front of that, so my answer will be false. This will be clear with the help of an example. And why we make use of logical operator? This is simply needed to connect or to combine relational operators. To combine or connect relational operators. Okay. So let's see, this example is given. Suppose question is display details or display roll number and names of those students who have secured marks above 70 but below 80. So this is clear that marks should be more than 70 and marks should be less than 80. And is from here I get to know that here we have two conditions. Marks should be greater than 70 and second is marks should be less than 80. Now here if two conditions are there, so I need some operator to be operated here so that we can combine these two relational operators all together. Now let's just have a look which we can make use of in these cases. It can be and can be or. But the question demands that marks should be more than 70 but should be below 80. So from here somehow you can get to know that the condition or just the operator which will be used to combine these two conditions all together will be and. Okay, so it is here I have written query as select roll number, comma name, marks from student where marks is greater than 70 and marks is less than 80. Okay, I think this is clear to you all.